Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In previous video we learned about decrement command and now we will learn about compare command in Fatek PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss other one upcoming video from Parveen Automations. So without waste any time, let's start. I will open my WinProLadder software and simply click it to the functions, and you can choose the in basics, scroll down and use that compare command. You can write here also, can be choose, and also you can find it here. Click it OK, and any data register which you like to move the values, you can choose it here. I choose D10 and next one D15, and simply here you, if you like to execute with some inputs, you can take it here x0 or x0 for example I will take, or otherwise I think so no need. This is the data register for comparison, and simply here we will take one output relay y0, and here we will take y1, and here we will take y2, take y2, and in the next row we will take it here, any M200. I will use the internal memory bit, and here I will choose one move command, and here I will type D20 moves to the D10, and here one more I will take M300, and one more time I will choose that move command D40 to D15. Because of this like to move compares this two data registers D10 with D15. So when I put the value at D20 and I execute the M200, that D20 moves the data at the D10. This is our D10, and when I execute the push the M300, that D40 which data I will write, it's moved to the D15. That's one. Because of we are comparing these two data registers with the help of this move commands. Because of this, these things can be a sensor from outside of the field. This is any conveyor signal, maybe sensor or limit switch or whatever. It's depend on your logic, but we will have to be learn about this, how to compare the data with the program. Simply go to the status page, and I will take it here which data I like to be moved. D20 for example I like to be moved in D10, so I choose it here D20. Second one data I like to move in D15, D40. D40, and third one I don't need. I need only two data registers. For example, here I will write, first of all I will make the download this program to the PLC, run PLC, and see, I will write at the D20 I will write first 0, for example, okay, and D40 also have 0. When I make the execution with the M200, that's D20 moves the data to D10, that's 0. And when this compare command, what's the function? When D10 is equal with D15, your Y0 will be energized. When D10 is greater than D15, your Y1 will be executed. And when your D15 is less than D10, your Y2 will be energized. So simply this I will close first off, and here D20, for example, I will write it here 5. But 5 is ready, but it will be not execute because of this input not coming. When as I give the input, after C, it will be passed the 5 value to the D10, and your Y1 is energized because of this D10 is greater than D15. And when equal, that Y0 on. When it's greater than D15, your Y1 will be energized. And this one D40, for example, I will write the 6 value. As I will make it on this one, this I will make it off, and as I give this signal after C, then D15 is greater than D10, your Y2 is on. And as I give the signal, for example, this I close, and as I write it here, for example, 6 I write. Now these both are equal, but it's waiting for the signal. As your sensor or what signal, when you give the signal, after this will be when equal, your Y0 will be energized. And if you like to run the Y1, when you make this bigger value, for example, this is you make the 7 make, after your Y1 will be on. It's same look like when you process make this in the program and you apply it at the machine. After this, your Y0, Y1 and Y2 are which bits are you will defined. This is your relays. For example, this 3 relays you put in the program. This 3 relays may be one for drive, for example, when you making the speed as a speed of motor. Y1 is Y0 is your single speed, first speed, for example 20 speed you can be think. Y1 is a 30 speed, Y2 is a 40 speed or full speed. Which speed when you like to give to your conveyor motor, that's these signals will be decided. And here you will write, and this data registers you take and simply take at the HMI. And here when you make it the execution of your sensors, this speed will be continue moves, and this release will be energized, and in front of your VFD will be changed the automatically speed of your motor. Sometimes you need the speed slow, sometimes you need the speed high, which is depend on your program. When you, for example, this M200 is your sensor, and this sensor you decide the speed, for example 20. It's how many speeds you can make. When you make it more speeds, you have make one another data register compare block. After you can how many speeds you like to move, you can move. Have many other ways also have to be control the speed of the VFD. Have a look like RS485 analog. This will be inshallah next lectures I will tell you. how we can use this analog speeds. Now in this lecture we have to learn only compare command, how we can use the compare data for our program. As you see, when I stop this one, for example off, and this is 6, I already define, I make it here 8, and as I give the signal it will be 8 moves. Which value when you like to move, that value will be moves. And simply if you think about the scene, even if we like to stop this one and we like to start this one, simply you can make the stop the execution, stop the PLC, and you can take it here and see M300, and here you can take M200. After only one data will be move, both will be not move, and make it on. See, if your M300 will be on, for example this is on, I will make it on, but that will be not move the data. When I make it off this one, after when you make it this one on, after your value will be moved. See, we will make it here 10, for example 10 at D40, and this will be moved 10 to the D15. And if I'm making this on, it will be never run because of this M300 is on. When this will be stop, after this will be execution. Maybe I will write it here 20, for example, but this will be not move. When I close this one, make it off, after you see it will be continuously move. And if you like to be equal this data, for example this D15, you like to move 20, make it equal, for example it will be maybe you on, but it will be not move because of you use the NC contact of your internal memory relay. You think about, this is your NC contact and this is the NO contact. As you stop this one, after your value will be moved. This is stop, sorry, this is make it on, and when this signal will be gone, after this will be value will be executed. In simple words, when D10 or any data register which you write it here, D10 is equal with D15, your Y0 will be on, and when D10 is greater than D15, your Y1 will be on, and when D15 is greater than your D10, your Y2 will be on. I hope you understand about this command now. If not understand anything, you can send message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.